Yo guys, it's Jay, and today, awesome news, the radiator has come in from JDM Speed Motor. So without further ado, let's get this box open so we can try to figure out how to get the radiator put onto the 2000 Dodge Durango. And I think it's a fire somewhere, that's why you hear the ambulance. So let's go put it on this table over here. Let's open it up, see how it looks. And speaking of, I have, put this stuff over here. I have the fan for the radiator that I got from LKQ, my local LKQ right here. So, how awesome is that? Let's put this over here. And I'm gonna have to dump out hey kitty. I'm gonna have to dump out my tools because I dropped the bolts in there, but let's get this box open real quick. Look how beautiful and awesome this looks. But I think when I was putting the box down, I accidentally broke this little piece right here that goes inside of the but luckily I have super glue to super glue it back on. So let's super glue that. Now let's put this back on like so. Okay. Might have to let that sit for a little bit. Lame. So, where was I? Oh, getting the radiator all put back together and getting the bolts out of here. So, let's do a little time lapse of me straightening up everything first. Oh, sorry. Let's go. So the fan is on now. Now let's get this inside the truck. I gotta figure out which lines go to which line. So I'm gonna have to drain out all the water that was still in the truck, radiator or whatever that was still in the truck. So now let's get this in the truck so we can at least run it for a while, so make sure no overheating occurs. So let's go. Yo, looks weird. Okay, apparently this was already loose, so. Okay, let's try to get the last bolt. First, let's try to drain this water. Huh? Nope. Whew. Look at that beauty on the front of this truck, everybody. Look at that. Now I'm finna try to line up everything. Of course, I can put this on already, this wire. So. Alright. David said he was coming. Oh. Okay, now Terrence, which one goes where? I'm talking about the radiator things. I mean the whatever this is. I'm guessing. This one go right here. I'm gonna need two hands, guys. All right, so I got the hoses on now. You gotta tighten down the radiator. So now let's get the reservoir. So lame. Okay, so let's try to get this on. Okay, now let's see how this go. Let's go like this. No. Oh, wrong way. So, like this. And I'm gonna do for it down there. Oh my god, it's coming along so good. Well, perfect timing. My brother's radiator just popped up. Is that your radiator? Oh, I thought he was here. So his radiator just popped up. So hopefully I do a video on his getting replaced. But to the time being, let's do my car first. So YouTube, cutting this video short because I got a lot to do. Because the fans aren't working, the one I got from the LKQ, I'm not gonna speak on that. But what I did is I had took the radiator fan from the charger and put in here, and I got it rigged up, but I'm gonna do this a lot better. Now the fans are on, cooling the system. Cooling the system, and it's still in the same spot. Had it on for like 45 minutes now, and it's still in that same area. So now one more step is to figure out what I can do about the situation of the cooling system and go from there. So guys, if you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, like and comment of your ideas of how to bypass the, what's a better way to bypass the radiator fans so I can just click it on without no problem. Remember, these fans came up the charger, so just let me know in the comments of what you think, and more content will come. Thanks for watching.